Hey folks, welcome back. I just wanted to cover off the topic of tags in system with regards to your contacts lists. As you can see here folks, the people that sign up for your marketing campaigns, contact details get stored here. As you can also see, there are no tags allocated to these contacts. As your list grows folks, it will be harder to be able to control if it hasn't got tags. And for example, if you've got users directed to a specific sales funnel from, for example, TikTok, and they're getting directed into a course, then you may want to tag those users course. If another example is, for example, you're putting people into Facebook groups, you want to help them there, and they're going through a sales funnel to get into that group, then you may want to tag those people with group. And that's a function of system that you can use. Tags are very simple to create. You just go into tag, create, and for this demonstration, we'll create a tag called course. Just hit save, and that tag's been created. You can also track metrics with regards to, people that are going through your sales funnel and converting with regards to these metrics here once it starts getting more traction. All right. After you've created your tag, then you need to go to your automation rules. Just bear in mind, folks, in system with the free subscription, you only get one tag and you only get one automation rule. All right. But it's enough so that you can get a feel for how it works. All right. So we've got our automation rule created here. We're just going to edit it and we're going to add an action. And that action is add a tag. And we should have the option now to select the tag we just created, which is course. There. And we can save that rule. And that automation rule is attached to our sales funnel, demo 2. And I've opened up demo 2 here so we can add in an email. So I'll just add in my first name again. And what I'll use here is a temporary email tool called temp mail. And I can just copy this email here and paste that into our opt-in page. Send me video training, and then I'll be directed to the thank you page. But that contact is now opted into my campaign. So I can go back here, go to my contacts, and I can see that contact now has been tagged with course. All right. So it's as simple as that. And now if I want to filter just that contact out under course or multiple contacts under course, I can do that. Or if someone else was tagged with, Facebook group, then I can do that. Just down the left-hand side, push this little slider to on, tagged with. I'll leave that on. Choose tag and course options there. And now we've just filtered out that contact with the tag of course. There are also other things you can do as well with regards to tags. If you were creating a contact manually, then you can come in here, enter all their details, and you will have that option of selecting a tag down here on the left-hand side. It'll be in that box. When you've got multiple tags, this here box will be populated with all those tags, so you can select them as necessary and then just hit save. Okay, but for now, we're not looking to save this, so we come back to contacts. You can also import contacts, folks. If you're importing a CSV list, choose your file. Again, you've got the option of choosing the tag you've created or multiple tags, if you like. And then, obviously, once you've done that there, you can then import your contacts, all right? Come back to contacts. So I hope, folks, that gives you a good insight into how useful tagging your contacts can be. And from my experience as well, working in the IT industry, you will see this across multiple software as a service providers where they give you the option to tag things, where you can track multiple various things, like, for example, costs. If you're looking to use a software as a service tool like Amazon Web Services, then that is a really useful tool, and it will save you a world of hurt further down the line of trying to track, different things. So I will leave this one with you, folks, and I hope it helps you again. Thank you. Many thanks for watching and listening, folks. If you enjoy my channel, please feel free to like and subscribe or make a comment in the section below, and I look forward to seeing you back here again. Take care, all the best.